Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my channel. Let's make spooky cupcakes with brains frosting. Let's go! First off, line a 12-cup muffin pan with cupcake liners and preheat the oven to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, add softened butter, eggs at room temperature, a little bit of milk, also at room temperature, vanilla extract. For really spooky cupcakes, add some black food coloring. Add sugar or sugar substitute, then sift all-purpose flour, baking powder and cocoa powder. Using an electric mixer, beat it all on medium speed for 2 minutes until smooth. That's it. Spoon the mixture into the muffin pan lined with cupcake liners. Bake for about 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let it rest for 5 minutes, then place on a wire rack to cool completely. Meanwhile, let's make raspberry filling or raspberry coulis. Of course, you need raspberries, fresh or frozen, a little bit of sugar and lemon juice. Combine it all in a small pan and put it on a medium heat for a couple of minutes to make puree. Then strain it to remove seeds. Return the puree to the pan. Add a little bit of cornstarch dissolved in cold water. Stir constantly while heating until thick. Then let it cool completely. For the brains frosting, put a cream cheese in a mixing bowl. Add icing sugar and vanilla extract. Beat it together with a mixer until it's fluffy and smooth. Add cold whipping cream and beat again until smooth and thick. Brush pastry bag with raspberry coulis and put the frosting inside. Scoop out some cake from the cupcakes. Then fill it with raspberry coulis. 1 or 2 teaspoons, it's up to you. Pipe the frosting in the shape of a brain on top of each cupcake. Use raspberry coulis to make it more brain-like. Bon appétit, bon appétit, bon appétit, bon Try if you dare.
Spooky. Brains. It's good. Oh.
You need it right away.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye. Boom.